What if I told you that there are 5 common mistakes you're making with your daily juice routine that are killing your progress? It's true. And the crazy part is, you probably never even realized it. But don't worry, that's why we're here. In this video, we'll uncover these so-called common mistakes that are holding you back and show you how to fix them. So, make sure you watch till the end, as this is a video you won't want to miss. Mistake number 1. Using too much fruit. One of the most common mistakes people make when juicing is using too much fruit. While fruit can add natural sweetness to your juice, it is also high in sugar. Consuming too much sugar can lead to weight gain, blood sugar imbalances, and other health issues. Instead, I recommend you balance your ingredients. To avoid consuming too much sugar, it's important to balance your ingredients. Aim for a ratio of 3 to 1 vegetable to fruit. This means that for every 3 servings of vegetables, you can include 1 serving of fruit. Vegetables such as kale, spinach, and cucumber are excellent choices for juicing, as they are low in sugar and high in nutrients. Mistake number 2. Not using organic produce. Using non-organic produce is another common mistake people make when juicing. Non-organic produce can contain harmful pesticides and chemicals, which can negatively impact your health, especially if you don't peel your fruits and veggies. The easiest way to fix this is to always choose organic produce. When juicing, it's important to choose organic produce whenever possible. Organic produce is grown without the use of harmful pesticides and chemicals, making it a safer and healthier choice. Mistake number 3. Drinking juice on an empty stomach. Many people make the mistake of drinking juice on an empty stomach. Drinking juice on an empty stomach can lead to digestive issues because the high concentration of nutrients can be too much for the stomach to handle on its own. Without any food in the stomach to help slow down the absorption of the nutrients, the body may struggle to digest the juice properly, leading to discomfort, bloating, and even diarrhea. Additionally, the high sugar content of some juices can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, which can also lead to digestive discomfort and energy crashes later on. By consuming juice with a meal, the body has more time to properly digest the nutrients and avoid any negative digestive effects. Mistake number 4. Not cleaning your juicer. Failing to clean your juicer after each use is another common mistake. This can lead to the growth of harmful bacteria, which can negatively impact your health. That's why it is recommended to clean your juicer after each use. To avoid the growth of harmful bacteria, it's important to clean your juicer after each use. Rinse all parts of the juicer with hot, soapy water and allow them to dry completely before storing. One tip for cleaning your juicer more easily is to rinse it immediately after juicing. This will prevent any leftover pulp and juice from drying and sticking to the juicer, making it easier to clean later on. Another tip is to use a small brush, like a toothbrush, to scrub any hard-to-reach areas of the juicer. This can help remove any remaining pulp or debris and ensure that the juicer is thoroughly cleaned. Additionally, some juicers come with dishwasher-safe parts, so you may want to check the manufacturer's instructions to see if this is an option for your juicer. Mistake number 5. Storing your juice for too long. Storing juice for too long is another common mistake people make when juicing. Juice that is stored for too long, even in the refrigerator, can lose its nutrients and become a breeding ground for harmful bacteria. A better alternative is to drink juice immediately. To ensure that you are getting the most nutrients from your juice, it's best to drink it immediately after juicing. If you must store juice, do so in an airtight container in the refrigerator for no more than 24 hours. Make sure you check out our video on how to properly store your juices for up to 48 hours. Juicing can be a great way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet, but it's important to avoid common mistakes. By balancing your ingredients, choosing organic produce, consuming juice with a meal, and cleaning your juicer after each use, and by drinking juice immediately, you can ensure that your daily juice routine is both safe and beneficial to your health. I really hope you found this video useful. If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy ways to stay fit, lose weight, and live a happier life. Check out this next video where I share some cool tips and tricks to make your juice taste 10 times better, and I'll see you soon. Have a great day.